Hello, you all. Namaste, namaskara. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shivani, and today's video we're going to talk about a product जो मैंने बहुत recently खरीदा है, and I was like, let me try and see how it works on me. First off, summer has been summering. I've been going crazy, man. It's so hot outside that sometimes I feel like ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? I do any damn thing, I start sweating. So I wanted something for my face, which is super lightweight in terms of the foundation side of things. So I went and got this. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Cushion Foundation. That's how the dabba looks like. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's like a compact mirror wali size, which is so good. And it is in the shade 127 neutral. So I'm going to be very raw in this video. Okay, I'm going to tell you everything about it, starting from the packaging to how it performs. I'm going to do a test on myself, and I'm going to see how it applies on my face. So first off, I'll give you a context. I have the Tear Cushion Foundation, and uska kya hua tha, I ordered it online even before it was in India. So वो चीज़ बाहर से आई थी, and the shade range is crazy. So when I was like looking through the shades, I got confused with the kind of shade which I need, and जो मैंने pick किया ना, it's slightly darker for my skin tone. So that is something which I haven't been reaching out to quite often these days, and even in the before also. I have to mix two things to get the exact color or the shade which I need, and then it looks well on my face. Otherwise, it looks too dark for me. So मैंने decide किया कि when this was launched in India and some people have been talking about it online, I was a bit curious because I really wanted it, and summer was like the perfect time to buy and even like check it out. So I went and got this. So let's do one thing. Let us unbox and I'll show you how the packaging looks like. I don't know about you, but मुझे ये iPhone वाली vibes दे रही है because it's the exact same way of unboxing. Okay, guys, the product is out, and that is how it looks like. I hope you can see it. It is round in shape, and it's not extremely heavy, it's very lightweight only. Let's see how it looks like from the inside. So, there is this L'Oreal Paris and everything that's written, and you gotta press. Yahan pe, there's one button. Not a button actually, there's a pressing thing, I don't know what you call it. So, you gotta just press that, and it just opens aisa. They've given a mirror which looks super cool, and this is the puff, and there's a cushion inside. It's just like the Tear, and I love the mirror. It is so clear, like every bit of your skin is easily seen, and you can literally use this to apply all of your face stuff, and it will look HD and super nice, which is what I love. So let's open the puff. Puff is also pretty cool. It's just like any other puff, but can you see the shape? It's got like a round yahan pe, like this, but on the tip, it's got this pointed tip, which means to say it can be easily put under eyes as well. Like if you want to cover something under your eyes, you can use this area, or on the sides of your nose also. This part is really gonna help. So cool. And now is the time to show you guys the other side of it, which is this. So this is where this part, this pan part that you see, this is where you tap off the excess product. So let's just say I'll open this and I'll show you the cushion part first. So it opens basically like a door. Okay, so this is where the cushion is. I haven't opened the cover of the cushion yet. It's white in color as you see right now. So this is basically the inner part which you always have to keep closed. So let's say today I'm using it. After I use it, I have to like close this and shut it like that with the cushion inside, of course, and that's how it stays fresh. The product should not be getting too exposed, you know what I mean? It needs to be kept really well, so that's very important. The packaging is plastic, so that's very cool, because otherwise you'll have to worry about it breaking and all of that. इस केस में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, which is really nice. So here it says always reseal the inner cap to keep the formula fresh. Really nice, I love it. So they've clearly mentioned an arrow over here, which will be important for you to start removing that white color. I would say the sticker or whatever that they've put. So let's remove it. So see, can you see the flap? This is a flap. I hope it's visible to you guys. यहाँ पे वो flap है. So I'm gonna just like remove it, okay? And you just gotta pull. So that's about it, and that is like open sim sim khulja sim sim whatever, and that's how the cushion looks like. So you get the idea. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the puff and tap it on the cushion, tap the excess over here, and then apply it on the face. So let me like explain it to you guys again. First of all, this is how it looks like, the entire packaging. What you're gonna do is press the button over here. So I'm gonna press the button and it's gonna open the first flap. The first flap has a mirror and of course the cushion and the pan. So you remove the cushion and this is the pan area, right? You have to open it just like a door. Once you open, you get the cushion and you need to press the puff, this one, onto the cushion, and any excess product you dab 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 on this pan and then you apply it on the face. It's very simple, 3 steps. Open, take the puff, open the second door, press on the cushion to get the product, dab the excess on the door, and apply it. It's very simple, very easy. And I'm gonna try and do a chotu sa test application. So let's see how it looks like. So इसके लिए मैं ऐसे fix कर लेती हूँ because I am finding it so freaking difficult to just hold that as well as do this. So now both my hands are free. It's very easy. So first I'm gonna press the button, open the flap, take the L'Oreal puff, just put it onto your one of your index finger, very easy. This way you have control of the entire movement of the puff as well as the product itself. Then I'm going to open the door and I'm just going to take one press, okay, just once. So मैंने एक बार press किया and that's how it looks like. This is the coolest thing which I love doing. It feels so good and it's so satisfying. It feels like I love being a girl sometimes. It feels good. So I just take that and whatever excess is there, I'm just gonna dab over here, okay? So you see that is the excess which is out, and then I'm gonna apply it onto my face. So इसके लिए मैं थोड़ा सा आपको zoom करके दिखाऊंगी. So I've zoomed in because I just want to show you how it looks like. So we're gonna do it over here. So I'm just gonna tap it. And I'm gonna go again because I think आपको दिख नहीं रहा है. This is an exact shade match with my skin, so it's gonna look like my skin but better. So here we go. I'm tapping again, and I took a little bit more. I'm gonna tap the excess onto the front of the door, and then I'm gonna apply it over here. So as you can see, it literally is making my skin look so glowy. Do you see that? It's giving that instant glow, and the shade is awesome. It's so freaking lightweight. Yeah, so that's how my skin looks like. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, this is just so good. They say it does not oxidize very easily and it is very easy to use as well. I love the way it's looking, man. It's so good. And then apply here. This gives my skin but better valley vibe, which I think is awesome. And the best part, like I said, or I didn't say, is you don't need too much. You just need like a little bit, and you don't even need to like apply any primer. You don't need to do any of that. You can literally just apply sunscreen, moisturizer, do your skin prep as you usually do it, and just go in with this, because this one here is just something which gives you that natural tint slash coverage. Now if you're someone who has like a lot of pigmentation or a lot of spots on your face and you want like super full coverage and all, then this is not for you, because this doesn't give you the total coverage, like super covered face nahi dega. It's medium coverage, and you can keep applying the product and build it up to give you full coverage. So that's about it. It does not have any smell. It has not irritated my skin. It feels very, very, user friendly. So I can just like carry this in my bag, and whenever I feel like I want to touch up, I can do it so easily. And it is a long wear foundation, and I wouldn't even call it a foundation. It's like something which just elevated my face. Like, you see the even tone, it just gives the even tone. It just feels very, very natural. Like, I know I keep saying natural like 200 times, but it is a very natural looking thing. And I like the fact that it is designed in Korea, and it is made in China. So the design is in Korea, so it's just like the Tear foundation. The best decision I made yesterday was to actually go to the shop and get it, because that way you can apply a tester onto yourself and see which is the correct shade for you. The shade match hona bahut zaruri hai, otherwise it goes for a toss. You'll spend all your time just trying to get the right shade, and that is not good. If you have a chance, get a chance, visit the store, pick it up. Or if you already know your shade, by just, if you're a pro, by checking it online and figuring out your shade, then go for it. Definitely a paisa vasool. It's about 1220 or 1290 rupees. And I just feel like, if you're someone who does makeup every day but you don't want to apply heavy foundation, then this is the one to go for. It's so, so good, and it's definitely worth the hype that's going on. And I think that's it for this video, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, and please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Lots of love. Bye.